Okay. Sharing my screen. Let me know once you're able to see. So this is the last week report. Okay. You see it, right?
Yes, sir.
So why Kishore, Rabin, Renu, Sarbaja, you didn't submit last week exams?
I was absent last week, so I haven't been able to catch up yet. Because
Okay.
I've been preparing for the test training and also but
How
I'll
about Rabin, Renu?
Sir, I just sent mine. I had forgotten to do the attachment. I've just sent you mine.
Okay. Sarbaja, fine.
I sent you my tests from last week on Telegram, I think.
Please do it on email. If you see, I keep sending every time. Send an email only. Okay.
Your file has two. You can, I saw at the end, you can submit one as well, the Excel file.
Eugen, he said that he sent in Telegram. Can you please
No,
email me, Eugen?
Yes,
like,
sir. I'll email it to you.
Both last week. This week, I think you sent an email. Last week, why you didn't?
No, this week also I sent it on Telegram.
Okay, you sent in email saying that subject March 29th and April 5th. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, yes, sir. I'll send it to you right now.
How about Rabin and Renu then? They don't talk. So if you talk, I understand. If you don't talk, I don't understand what's going on. I'm there to help you, guide you. If you don't talk, I cannot understand. And then I'm marking you as an absent then, both of you. Not get anything. Kishore is fine. I think you have taken leave for those week. That is fine. You both sent. Good. Now coming to, I kept 3 answer sheets here. Want to discuss with you. Hope you don't mind, right? 4 answer sheets. You don't mind, right, if I discuss? Everyone.
Yes, sir. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So there are minor mistakes. So if you see this, Alisha. So what is the input parameter? Color. We have given color. Good. Everything is good. Why you are keeping the parameter within the quotes?
Sir, I thought
Keep parameter within the quotes. It is an input value, right? So you will not get anything.
Sorry, sir, could you please repeat again? I couldn't hear you.
Yes, I'll tell you. So this is your output. So you are passing the variable within the quotes. See? Get it?
Yes, sir.
So you will not get any output there. Even though you have color, sorry, just say. So you have data for that color. Because you kept within the quotes, it understands this as a value and it won't give anything. So example, pink. There is no color pink. I mean, there is no data for pink. So it is like that. Now this, whenever you give codes here, it understands that this is some value or this is some color which doesn't have data. Okay. So this
So,
requires
sir,
testing. First, that's why you have to write like this script first and then add a procedure so that if you get to know any mistakes are there, you can fix it. So first, what is the best way is first directly write color here. Okay, your query, it will give data. And whenever you are keeping this, when you are not getting data, you should understand why it is not getting data. When I give this, it is working. When I give this, it is not working. Then you get to know the fix is this. So always write the script. Alright, first write the query, pass the value, convert that to script, and then convert that to procedure so that you will not get any mistakes. Okay, that's a best practice. That's why I was doing every time script for every procedure. We have done almost 15 to 20 procedures. Agree?
yes, sir.
Every time I have written script first. Every time I have written query, then script, then procedure, so that we don't do mistakes.
Sir, I also see like giving at the rate before in parameters, so that's why I always write at the rate. For example, the color name varchar 20 that you see over there.
Correct. Color name varchar. Now this code should be removed. That's what I'm saying, right? Here, if I keep the code, see, this is a parameter. If I keep
I
the
understood
codes,
that one, but the at the rate I should not give from next time. The what do you say? The at the rate dot
no, here
com.
you should remove the commas, that's all, because you are passing a parameter, right? If you pass red, it will execute for red. If you pass blue, it will execute for blue.
Yes, sir. I understood that one.
That is one mistake. And this is good. Employee salary greater than manager salary. This is good. If you do some, see, I think you have made some changes to the employee. No, this is not good. I'm sorry. See, here you are getting managers and employees, two different tables. This is a self join where employee is having a manager and manager salary is less than employee salary. This is self join. We generally not have a separate table for managers. We have only one table, that is employees, which acts as a manager and which acts as an employee also. Example, if you see here, we discussed about this table where employee ID is there, manager ID is there. Employee itself a manager. Self join. So display employee records who joined before their manager. Who joined before their manager is this. Okay. So I added a column to this salary and ensured that the manager is having less salary than the employee. Okay. If you see this data, where is that ID? ID is not there. One moment, I'll show you. So if you see here, forget about this condition. If you see this is a employee ID, this is a manager ID. This is the employee ID, this is the manager ID. So if the employee is having more salary than the manager, that has to be displayed. Okay. I made the changes. Okay. I gave high salary to the employee than to the manager. His manager is 1. Now, if I execute this, you get to know the highest salary, employee having highest salary than the manager. So this is the manager's salary, this is the employee's salary. Okay. Here it's a self-join, same table to itself, which you did wrong. You are taking 2 different tables. Okay. Self-join to be used here. Okay, this one. This is a list of employees, list of departments without employees. So without employees is, I think you did correct. Yeah. So next one is, it's a very minor mistake. See here, greater than 80,000, correct. And second one is, it should be between 50,000 and 80,000. Why? Because if you say greater than 50,000, it is 50,001. Less than 80,000, 79,999. Okay. If someone gets 80,000, the data will not come at all. Here also it will not come. Either here it has to be greater than or is equal to, here it has to be greater than or is equal to, and less than or equal to, either way. Same here also. This is a minor one. That's okay. Because condition I told less than 80,000, so you kept as it is. So basically we have to write the conditions covering even a single record should not miss from our table. You get me right? It's to everyone. This is, many people did mistake. That's why this is to everyone. So now 80,000 greater than is equal to you have to keep. Here less than is fine. Here greater than or is equal to you have to keep. This is fine. Okay. Fine. You got it right, Alicia? Where you have to correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now moving on. Sandeep.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First one is correct. Now coming to the second one. Employees earning more than their manager. First thing is we have used employees table, employees SQ, inner join with employees SQ. That is fine, okay. But why you are getting departments again? This is one thing wrong. And next thing I asked, employees earning more than the manager. But what is the condition? Employees not earning more than the manager. Output changes. Got it, Sandeep? This condition is not required. This condition is wrong. Okay. Next. This is gone. Next. The display departments without employees. I want departments without employees. I think this is correct. Next one. Yeah, same. Greater than is equal to less than. Those things are there. That's okay. So Sandeep, you got the mistake, right?
Take another one, yeah.
Next, Supriya.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Supriya, you shared previous week answers. You can see here. 22 week you sent, not 29th
And
29th week.
again, immediately, I think I send the email and saying I attached the wrong. Here is the correct attachment. Within 5 minutes, I think I email again back.
Let's see.
On the same email, I said, I'm sorry, I attached the wrong.
No,
And
this,
I'm
let me check. See, this is 28th. Okay, 29th, 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 31st. Okay. Supriya Sharma. Is this you?
yeah, Supriya, sorry.
I think. Okay. It is here.
Yeah, that's the one I do.
No. See, why I'm doing this kind of test, I wanted to know your mistakes, okay? So that you'll not do such things again. I'll take a moment, I'll close this. Okay. See, why you are joining two different employee tables? It has to be one employee table, right? It has to be the same employee tables which has employees and the same employee table which has manager IDs. Agree?
I got it. I don't know why I did that.
See, list of employees without department. Yes, without employees. Yes. Okay, next. Here always, what is this? Okay, E dot department. It is better to show E also so that we get to know. It is null. Okay, right. So same mistake. No, if you say here greater than 80,000, you'll get high salaries. If we say greater than 50,000, you'll get even above 80,000 also, right? And what about the next condition? This is wrong. This is wrong. You got it?
Yeah,
Want
the
me to show
way
the answer?
the writing was wrong. High, greater than 80.
This is wrong. Where I can write. So if of if level is high, okay, greater than 80,000, fine. Okay. If level is medium, it has to be greater than 50,000 means you'll get data which is greater than 50,000 as well as greater than 80,000 also. You have to keep a border, right? Got it?
Okay, to put on the border. Otherwise,
And I have
I
given
won't
one more
be.
condition, one more thing else. If it is not input high or if it is not medium, if it is something else, it could be low or less, whatever, it has to come here. That is missing. You got it?
Yeah.
No, it's gone. So anyone have any questions, please check. I can cross-check the answers and correct the marks. Let me know, please. This is for the last week. Clear, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll get the next exam also by tomorrow. We'll discuss that as well. Okay. We'll move on.
So I sent you my last week and this week's.
Okay. You are taking time. So when you are taking time, you test once, twice, thrice, and then send me so that you get to know how to get perfection. Share the document. Why you send the link?
I don't have Word. That's why I
Fine,
had to.
no worries. So fourth question. Okay. So this is wrong. Second question is wrong. Wrong. The question is wrong again. Okay. Next, we are discussing about user-defined functions, right? Very silent. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are discussing about user-defined functions. Any questions on what we discussed? Do you want to write any user-defined function? I'm giving enough inputs for practice also. I don't want you to, write mistakes in the exam. Yes, tell me, someone was saying. It's all like same queries, whatever we have written till now. Okay, now you failed in, a few of you failed in writing that self-join, right? Can you create a function to get the employees without the manager? Texting you the question. Create a multi-statement table. Multi-statement table user-defined function to get the employees without manager. It should not take much time. No inputs. It is going to return the employee name, and if you want employee salary, you can populate, or if you want whatever the employee details, you can populate. You got the question?
Which tables are
Employee table only, right?
working?
Self-join. Okay, that's the reason I gave it, because many of you didn't write it correctly. I updated the score in the portal. You can check that report. You can check your scores. Tomorrow I'll update the yesterday's exam. Okay, I mean Sunday's exam. This Sunday's exam. Okay.
What was that?
In the portal, in the Zorba portal, I have updated the scores. You can check. Tomorrow I'll send the updated marks. I mean Sunday's marks.
Yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I don't see anything up there for me.
I don't see your name. I already asked sir, I guess.
Okay.
Your name is not there here. Okay. In the portal. You can even raise your request. Your name is not available there. Okay.
Sure. I have access though.
No, you have access, but your name is not there.
Okay.
Fine.
Yeah, I also can't see the number on the Zorba.
Yeah, whoever don't see, right? Please raise a request. I think Ajay sir is there. We'll ask Ajay sir, okay? I'll text him. Then please post the answers.
Sir, I've just sent you the answer.
Okay. Okay. Function Suraj. Function, please. Function is required.
I'm doing.
I think we are good with the user-defined functions. Any questions before we move on? Why you are not able to write self-join? Shall I move on at least? You are very silent. So, Alisha, did you execute this?
So
Written
my
error.
self-join worked, but the condition that I put for the function, it did not work.
What is missing, you know?
I don't know, sir.
Function requires open and close parentheses. If you do it, it will execute. Check once.
Oh,
And
for
this does not
oh,
require, okay, this is to Sanju. Your answer is wrong, right, Sanju? What is the question? Question is get the employees who doesn't have manager. No need of input parameter. And you are returning varchar. It has to return a table. No, this is wrong. Completely different output. Again, Sandeep Kaur.
Yes.
Your data is wrong, right? Why comparison between the salaries?
Is that you say you
Question
can
is
compare salary too?
question is employees without manager. That's all right.
Yes, and then you said that you can add salary too.
Why you are keeping a condition? Salary doesn't make any sense, right? Employee salary is less than manager salary. Doesn't make sense, right? We just require uh, employees without managers means
Manager have no employees.
employee doesn't have a manager assigned.
Okay.
Employee manager is not assigned. That's what we require, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Answer. Who answered this? Sarbaja has answered this, right? Can you explain this, Sarbaja? Share your screen and explain, please. Sarbaja there? Thank you.
Am I audible now?
Audible. Your
Yeah.
screen is loading. Yes. Please explain.
Okay, so
Please
first
explain the query. No function.
just
Just
a query.
query.
Okay, so we first use select.
If you don't mind, Sarbaja, write the query. Don't
Okay.
forget about this. How you developed, write the query. In that way. Use how you develop it, now you redevelop it, rewrite this.
So I went on first selecting the things that I would need. Well, first I did select asterisk from, so I could, see what's in the table. And then I did,
One moment. Where is main? Okay, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
And then I selected the things that the columns from the table that I would need. Actually, we don't need the department ID, but then I just put it in. And then I did m.employee name so that I could separate the manager ID. And then I did left join because if we do left join, then you can also see the employee name. Because before that, I tried just join, but when I did just join, it wouldn't show me the employee name. It would just show blank. Because initially I just did. I can show you after I finish writing this. So first I didn't do left. I just did join. And when I did that, I couldn't see the employee name because it was just join on that. And it was, so when I did left join, I could see all the data from the left table as well. And the left table is the employee, so I did left and then I could see. And then the other mistake I made was I wrote equals to instead of is, and then it wasn't working anything. So I corrected that and then it worked.
They're not asking for questions. Ask. Does they understood or need more explanation?
Is everybody clear or should I explain some more?
Can you
Is there
explain
any-
one time that employee name as manager name?
Oh, I did this so you could see this table, this right here. It's this being null.
Oh, yeah, manager name and then employee name.
Keep
Okay.
employee, you keep manager ID also
Oh, okay.
because doesn't have
I didn't
manager.
really need the department ID. That makes more sense.
If you see the condition, she kept manager ID is null. Manager ID is null means there is no manager. So people generally who doesn't have manager, the top level employee doesn't have manager. He is a manager for everyone, like a CEO, correct? So that's what it is. Any question? See, self join is very simple. You are joining table to itself. Though it is simple, there will be little confusion. That confusion you can avoid by writing select star from. You can see what is the employee name who doesn't have manager, or what is the employee ID who doesn't have manager ID. That way you'll get to know this record doesn't have manager means that record we have to populate. Then accordingly you can write a condition. If you write select star from without a where condition, we get to know. Then you can write a condition accordingly.
Can I stop sharing my screen now, sir?
Ask everyone if they are clear, then yes.
Is everyone clear? Is there going to be any more questions?
Clear.
Yes, clear.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for explaining.
So, what about creating functions?
Go ahead, continue, Sarbaja.
Oh, okay.
Sarbaja, continue. Now you have written a query. Make it as a function.
I've written it as a query and then I just followed the syntax. I will admit though that I don't really know the syntax off the top of my head, so I
It's very
just looked
simple.
at the
create
notes and then I
function,
just
create function name,
wait.
function,
Sorry.
UDF underscore, some name you can give.
Yeah, I
So
just
this
did like
expects a function, right? Function expects a open and close parenthesis. Function, let's say, let it be, no, any name is fine. Open and close parenthesis. Okay, this doesn't have any input parameters, so you can go ahead. What this is returning, press Ctrl R. Press Ctrl R, Sarpaja. Okay. Now what this is returning, this function returning output as a table, correct?
yes, sir.
So returns at the rate variable you have to define it. Returns at the rate anything emp table. So this table, whenever it's a table, it has to have columns. So what you are returning? You are returning, if you see the line number to 126, 127, 128. You are returning employee name and you have to define the data type. Next, you are returning manager ID. Define the data type. Next, returning department employee name or manager name. Sorry, manager name. I'm sorry. You see that define the data type. Next parenthesis. Okay. Next, as begin. And at the end, you add n. The last end. Not there.
Oh, here, and do we have to also do insert into?
Insert into that temporary table variable. So now what you do, this doesn't look good, right? Add one enter after 119. Line number 119 after that, add one enter. Okay. Returns, no, go back. Returns, delete, press delete. No, returns is correct. Returns, not backspace. Returns, delete, one more delete, space. In the next line after parenthesis, press enter.
Yeah.
123. 123 after parenthesis, enter. 123. No, the starting, Sarvaja.
This is 123.
Before employee name.
Starting, before employee name. Enter. Now select 123, 124, 125. Select 123, 124, 125. Not parenthesis. Only 123, 124, 125. Press tab. Now in the line number 131, select 131 to last, except last line. Press tab. Now you just alone see from 121 to 140. It looks good. It looks good. By seeing, you understand that it is returning a table and you are inserting a table and writing a query. By seeing only, you can understand what's going on. Okay. Clear everyone how to write a function now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who can explain inline functions? Because why I'm asking, this weekend you are going to get questions on functions only. It is going to be very easy because there are no that much complex requirements. Who can explain inline functions? Prashant, do you want to try? Inline functions, scalar functions. Who would like to explain? Don't give the turn back to me. No one is answering. Okay. Let me pick the person. If you don't come forward, I'll pick. Sandeep Kaur, can you explain inline functions? She's not also, she's not even unmuting. You're unmute, Sandeep. Sandeep. Okay. She don't want to talk. Sudeep?
Yeah, I'm not really sure about it, but I know that inline queries is what we've been studying for a while, right? Which is just single queries. And you said another one was which one? Multi-statement, which would be
No,
multiple.
explain. Not like interview. Explain clearly what is inline function with an example. Who can do? Alicia? Yes, no, at least don't be on mute. Talk.
Sorry, sir, I
I,
didn't hear you. Could you please repeat again?
I didn't get Alicia.
Sorry, could you please repeat the question once again?
Can you explain inline functions with example?
Oh, sorry, I think I need to look back once again.
Okay. Prashant, we're on mute.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I haven't gone through it, but I think
Yeah,
inline
we have written
function.
multiple examples in the class only, right?
I know, yeah, but just nothing on top of my head. Anyways, I think this just returns the value from a select statement.
Yes.
Yeah.
Example. Any
Uh,
example you can take, right?
Say,
Share your
for
screen.
example, just a simple query as select start from employees.
Uh,
S- Um, I think, yeah, that's it. Like, say, for example, create function and then returns table. Then we go with like as written and then select start from employees,
hmm. So now
right?
this the whatever you told, right? Select star. Everyone got what he explained? First let me know. Everyone understood what he explained? They
Yes.
didn't understand, Prashant. Now you have to explain again. The form is they didn't understand.
Yeah.
Suraj is enjoying. Prashant got a task.
Okay, say
Share
in
your screen and explain, Prashant.
yeah, I know.
Find a simple
Because
function.
even I was not too sure. That's why maybe my explanation
I'm
was
there to
not
help you, right?
clear. Yeah. But yeah, just to say just to explain again, okay. So say simple when we write select query, right? Select start from
Okay,
employee.
you tell I'll write. You tell
What's
I'll
that?
write, you explain. You are not ready to share your screen.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can see her.
Yeah, please share and write whatever you're explaining, right? Put it there so that everyone understands. You can
Sure,
share.
sure. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Just come on, screen one.
Okay, able to see your
Are you guys
screen?
able to see my screen?
Yes.
So, for example, let me just
Point to database.
wait. What was the name?
Zorba. Guys, your question to ask. I mean, your turn to ask questions to Prashant.
Right.
Yeah.
So now, using a function, if we want to get the output for the same query, okay,
Hmm.
So that is called a inline function, right? So I'm write the function to get the output for the same code.
Right.
Okay.
Now.
Create function, whatever it is. Okay.
Any name.
Employees. Right, and then we say returns. I think I don't need to just a table here.
No need of begin, right?
Oh, no need begin as well. Just wait up. Stop. This.
So what a function expects? Function expects return, correct?
Right.
What is return?
So I think here or after this. I think here, yeah. No? Yeah, look sure. Oh my. Yeah. That's it. I think.
Execute.
Yeah. Now select stuff from
Okay.
so I get the same output. So this is called inline function.
What is the difference between view and function? In that case,
What is the
views.
difference between?
So views and functions. Now we can achieve the same output using views also, right? What is the
Right.
difference between views and functions?
So views is like a virtual table.
Same output I can achieve through views also, right?
Right.
Yeah, why should we use functions for this?
Wait.
Others also can answer, not only Prashant. Support him.
Wait.
Because it takes the parameters.
Because it takes
The parameters.
Yes, functions have a chance or have a feature of taking input parameters where views doesn't have. So in the line number 6, we can have input parameters and we can write a where condition in the line number 12
Right.
so that we can get only employees belong to so and so input parameter. Example, you say I want to display employees for the department number 1. You pass the input as department 1, you get the output accordingly. That's an advantage.
Right.
Okay. Good. Both are pre-compiled. So both are sitting in the server. They don't compile every time you execute. You just need to execute. No need of compiling. Okay, whenever you execute. Good. Sanju, can you explain scalar functions with example? Share your screen.
Not sure, sir.
Try, like see Prashant tried, right? You know, okay, what is scalar function?
I think it returns the single value.
Go ahead then. You know it.
No, sir, I'm not ready right now.
Who can do it? Scalar functions? Sarvaja?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sharing a screen?
I'm not completely sure about scalar functions, sir. Like I understood the multifunctions one pretty well, but the scalar function I'm a bit confused about, but I can still try.
You can try. Scalar functions return a single value, whereas stable function returns a table output, whereas scalar functions return single value. Single value like your name, employee name where ID is equal to 1. So only one name will come, right? Like that. So you can take an example. Example. So pass the employee ID and get the salary of that employee. Write a query first. Input is employee ID, output is salary.
So could you repeat the question again? What am I supposed to get?
Write a function to display salary
Mm-hmm.
for the given employee ID. Or for the given employee ID, that is correct.
Yeah. You select salary.
Input is employee ID, output is salary. That's all.
Yeah. Just select salary from employee SQ. Yeah.
That's how everyone has to support each other.
Where department ID is equal to, yeah. For now, you can give any ID, Yeah.
So what is the input parameter? You didn't
Yeah.
Okay, first line number 1. What is the mistake? Anyone can answer this. Don't correct this. Don't correct
wait.
somebody.
I forgot to give so.
I'm telling don't correct. You're correcting.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, sir.
No problem. What you are returning?
Department ID.
What you should return? Line number 144. 144. What you should return? That is input. What you are
Salary.
returning? What is the output?
Salary.
But what you are returning here in the last line?
Department ID. Sorry.
Yeah. First try giving the input parameter within that parenthesis.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, just click right before the parenthesis.
No. You are not executing, right? You are defining, you are creating. What is the input parameter for this function?
Salary.
No.
Input parameter.
Sorry, department ID.
Integer.
Employee ID. I asked employee ID, right? Oh, you kept department ID. See, what happens is department ID is there will be multiple records, right? That's why I kept employee. I said employee. So that should be the input parameter. So everyone be prepared. Tomorrow we'll have some discussion, okay?
Write that input parameter within the parenthesis.
In this way?
Yeah, and then I mean it should go above returns.
Oh, okay.
Now we have two parentheses, right? You have to remove the first. Yeah.
What is the syntax? Syntax is create function name, open and close parenthesis. And open and close parenthesis takes the parameter. So your input parameter should be there. And then it is going to returns what as begin end. Okay. Where should be your input parameter? Okay. Now fine. What it returns?
Decimal.
Huh?
I think it returns the decimal.
Money.
Yeah.
Money.
Or money or decimal.
Yeah.
Do I have to write
returns after returns? Just give data type like money as money. Returns money.
No, you have to give data type here, like whatever is
better together right after returns. I mean.
Yeah, in the bracket.
No,
not in the bracket. Yeah. That's fine.
No.
No.
Go ahead. Try. You're trying something. Go.
I think it's not. This is not. Do we write insert into here?
No insert.
No.
No.
That's for
What you are
multi.
returning? You are returning a table or a value?
Returning a value.
Single value, right? So single value where you can store.
I don't get you.
Okay. Anyone?
I think after that.
Call a friend. Call a friend option.
And now I think go with declaration now. Declare your what is
Over
it called?
here.
I think we can just execute.
Declare, salary. Declare salary. Yeah. Yeah, and then give a
Whenever
data
you
type
say
once
declare,
again.
what it has to have? What
Money.
is salary there?
Salary money.
No,
Correct.
the salary give as
Salary
like
is a column or keyword. What it is?
It's a column.
no
You said declare, right? Column will be in a
declaration
table.
at
At.
yeah
So that's a variable.
variable yeah
Remember, variable is a place where you can store a single value generally.
yeah
What type it is?
give type
What is
again. No, that is fine. And give money. Yeah.
Next.
Now in the query, select, use that variable, declare variable again. Yeah, instead of
Is that?
yeah. And then where employee ID
Throw
is
the
equal.
salary in the variable. Salary at the rate salary is equal to salary. So at the rate salary is a variable. Salary is a column. Salary is getting only one record, one value for the given employee ID and will get stored in the variable salary. And finally, you have to
Return. Before n, write
return that
return.
variable.
Yeah.
Another
Return.
Return what? We are returning what?
Variable you are storing, you have to throw it back.
Oh, you
Yeah.
have to return salary again?
Right.
Yeah. That's what you declared in the line number 148. I'm going to return a value of money.
Yeah, that's fine. You
That
can
is
execute
So
this.
you have to declare the variable and then give a value to the variable, and then you have to
Yes.
return the variable again?
Yeah.
Right.
So I'll share my screen if you are done. Tomorrow, everyone, please be prepared and come. All the topics from views, procedures, functions. We'll have a revision, not like I explain. It's like I ask, you have to answer, and you have to demo it. Fine?
Yeah.
It's on the notes page 118 or
No.
I'm looking on the notes.
From the you on the page numbers.
Yeah, from where it's start.
Go with select, Sarvaja. Select, not execution. Select. Yeah. Select. Yeah. And then no. Just select and then your function name. I think we have to prefix DVO. It's better. I don't know if that is mandatory. Yeah. DVO.
Is that mandatory?
I don't think so, but yeah, better use DVO dot and then
No.
DVO is mandatory.
okay. And then give the value within parentheses. Like what is our input parameter?
Let me try one.
Yeah, run it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Page numbers 113 to 159. 113 to 159.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to explain same example. Please follow. Create a function which returns salary of the given employee ID. Correct? Whenever you get a question, what is input? Employee ID. What is the output expected or what is the return expected? Salary. From where you'll get this? From employee table, you said. You write this. You get to know salaries here. So you have to pass the employee ID. Example where employee ID is equal to 5. You'll get one record only. Correct? Now make it as a script. Declare @ salary, money, comma, employee ID integer. Select star from employees where employee ID is equal to @employee ID. What is employee ID? Set @employee is equal to 6. Okay. So now you got everything, correct? Now you got all the records belong to that 6 record. I want only salary. So here you take salary. Now you execute, you got only salary. But the salary I want to get through the variable. So here you use assign that variable with this value, whatever you are getting. And you say, let's say print @salary, which you are going to return. You got it? You got it how to do? First write the query, pass the input, make it as a script. Now create function UDF underscore get salary. As it's a function, this is compulsory if you have inputs or doesn't have inputs. We have inputs, that is employee ID integer. I write like this instead of doing like this. I write like this so that it looks better. And returns, what it returns? Salary. Returns salary. Salary is what data type? It is money data type. So money. As begin end. Okay. Now here again write the query. Select star from employee. If you write the query every time instead of copy pasting, you'll get more hands-on. Employee ID is equal to input employee ID. Now what we have to return? Salary. So here you place salary. So now we don't have any variable coming from the input to store this value. So what we have to do? We have to declare that variable. Declare salary as money and store this value, whatever is coming into or coming from this value to this variable. Whenever I execute this, it will fail. See, last statement in a function should be a return statement. Compulsory, the last one should be a return. When I say return, it won't understand. In table value function, it understands. When I say simply return, it won't understand. I have to say, I am going to return the value, what this value is getting stored in it. Variable, the value where it is getting stored. That's all. Select dbo dot. Why not star? Because this returns single value, no need of star. If you write star also, no problem. Example 6 only I am saying. You got the output?
So
Clear?
what is DBO dot compulsory?
Because if I don't write DBO, it understands that as a built-in function. Built-in function means which are defined by SQL Server, like getDate. So this is a built-in function. So it doesn't require any DBO because this can execute across any server. Okay, across any window, across any database. But this is my function defined under this database with a schema DBO. DBO is a schema name by default for all the objects, default schema. Okay, so when I say DBO, it understands that is a defined by user under this database. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions on this? Now everyone should be able to explain. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Over earlier I asked whom to explain. Yeah, Sudeep, we can explain right now. Not confident yet.
Right now, I understood, but I can give it a try.
Who is next? Sanju, you also can explain right now.
I'm not right now, sir. Maybe tomorrow.
I mean, you got. I'm not telling you to explain now itself to everyone. You understood, right? How to explain, how to write script, how to explain. You got it.
Yeah.
Sudeep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everyone, whenever you get a question, break the things into pieces like this. When you break things into pieces like this, it will be easy for you to explain. Okay? Write first select statement, first table, then input, then what exactly output. Convert it to script. If you convert it to script, it is easy for you to write a function or procedure. Fine, everyone? Tomorrow get ready to write scripts and explain scripts in the class. Scripts in sense, procedures, functions, scripts, everything in the class. Page number 1132, 159 in the notes. Please go through. Be prepared. It might be theoretical questions. It might be show and tell questions. Okay. Fine, everyone. And if I will not help, it's between you can help. And that is one option. You can take the audience poll, call a friend options to get your answers done. Fine?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Supriya will be ready, I know, because she only first asked the give me page numbers, I'll be ready. Right, Supriya?
No, yeah, I'm trying.
You tell me the page numbers. See tomorrow. That's what her input. Okay. Fine then. That's it from my end for today. Be prepared. Why? Because the next topic, what I'm going to start, will be tough. Okay. The next topic, whatever I'm going to start is temporary tables, and then we'll start with transactions. Okay. So when I start transactions, we are going to reuse the procedures. We are going to use the procedures, transactions, exception handling. These things are little tougher than whatever we are doing now. Okay. That's why I want you to be ready for the next topic. Brush up whatever we discussed for last 2 weeks or 3 weeks. We'll continue tomorrow. Fine. Tomorrow is a testing session. Based on that, I can move on to the next topic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine then. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
All right,
sir.
thank you. Bye.
Good night.